Well, hello everyone. This is how the day's starting. I don't know if you can see behind me. You can see this. Yeah. Might be a while before we can get some cars in. Okay, so we're in the building. So today we're working on this Dodge 2500, brand new. Owner is, I think he's had it maybe for a short period of time. He had another Dodge and traded this in for his work. Anyway, have a look around the truck and see what's what. All right, so brand new Dodge 2500 Ram. It's pretty covered in snow. We got about, I don't know, 30 to 50 centimeters depending on where you live, in or out of town. We're gonna let this, we'll start with the interior on this and let this kind of melt a little bit. As you can see, there's snow everywhere on it. It's not even actually that bad. So that's what we're dealing with. So this customer is going to get a basic exterior. So of course we'll wash it and just skip all the dressings on the outside. And this is the inside. So a typical work truck, full of mud and dirt, etc. He was smart to put on some Browning seat covers just to kind of protect himself from getting any damage there. Center console, it's dusty, but not terrible. We've got the dash looking pretty greased up. Just your, like I said, run-of-the-mill dirt for a work truck. Back seats, same thing. He's got them flipped up for me, but I'll of course flip those down. Got dirt and debris all through the back there. And again, over in that area. Mats, back of the seat. And of course the doors again. And I won't bore you with going over to the other side, but it's much of the same. So we'll let this thing thaw out for a few minutes as it's minus 30 degrees outside, and yeah, then we'll get started. Okay, so inside's done. Doors are all treated. Inside's all cleaned up and treated. Obviously it had mats in it beforehand. We'll put those back in once we're done. New truck, but it was pretty dirty, and we're gonna wipe the fingerprints off that when we do the glass. And of course the dash is all treated with UV protectant. I'm mixing it up between a couple different products. 303 Aerospace was what I used on the last vehicle, and I went back to my Chemical Guys Silk and Shine for this. I know a lot of people have hate on for Chemical Guys products, but I find the Silk and Shine at the very least is quite good. You just got to let it dry. Oh, we're looking very good. Now I'm sure this being a work truck, probably going to get abused again. However, that's what it's meant for. All right, so dirty mats, interior's done, aside from these. Yeah, so give them the spray down, see where that gets us, and then of course, obviously soak them down, wash them down, that kind of stuff. Right, drill brush, bucket of water. Rinse them off. A lot better. Okay, so we'll do a final walk around. As I said before, doors are treated, mats are back in. Everything's looking nice and shiny. Seats are clean. Show you the other side, same thing. Vehicle is looking great. Everything's shined up. Treated for UV protection, glass and dash. And those fingerprints are gone. And nothing crazy special on the outside, just a basic wash, but all that grime is now off of it.